Yeah, but sugar can part.
Now, if you see the sun right, you'll see shiny metal flakes. And that's not glitter, folks. I'll be darned if we didn't have the parts. Who needs advice when you got a header cart? I don't know that the one you used to carry in that truck would do this. So the hardest part in this whole process is getting that part on there. So far. That came out of this one, I think.
Get a ring on. Set on there. Fucking straight. Screw them seals. How many pounds is that? Hang on. That's 10. Well, you only got 640 to go, or 740 to go then.